Here's a ITO, roughly 21-inch torpedo stern cabin cruiser. All I had with this was the hull and the partial deck. No cabin, no fittings, no nothing. Totally restored it from the ground up. Added tons of fittings, etc. Hundreds of dollars of fittings, actually. It's a nice cabin cruiser, it really is. These are rare. This is the bigger one. Twin props, gearbox, big horseshoe motor, all new old stock stuff. Everything is new old stock original ITO parts, except for these ball stanchions, which I had made. But everything else are all original fittings. K&O fittings, that sort of thing. I made the cabin from scratch. Here's the inside. The ITO sticker is a reproduction. All polished brass. Motor's all polished up. The gearbox, the brass was in bad shape, so I cleaned it and painted it red. Polished the brass gears. Props, rudder, shaft, switch, contacts, universals, you name it, everything's new in here. The flagpole, my flags I make. But the hatch is all. I reproduced the hatch. Well, here, I'll show you. It's forward and reverse. That's forward. That's reverse. And then I'll put the cabin back on. I also put a light in the cabin too. You can see it there. There's the contacts. The cabin back on. And then the light inside the cabin lights up. So anyway, new old stock. I put a brand new bulb in there though. Everything has been done to it. Painted in original colors. 2 brand new props, etc. It's a pretty boat. It really is a nice boat. The restoration video will be on YouTube along with this, of course. And you can see all my other boats here on YouTube. I closed the website down. That's gone. I'm finishing up what I have. I'll take special orders. But that's it. I'm just going to finish restoring all the boats I have and selling them. And that'll be that. Anyway, there she is. Anyway, thanks for all the kind comments about my boats. And like I said, this will be on YouTube along with the restoration video showing what it was like and everything else. Thanks again.